Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing the viral claim that there is a secret promo code for free Robux in November 2025. Now, a tons of players are talking about it. So let's find out if it is real or fake and what actually works. So first of all, there is no secret code that gives free Robux. Roblox never gives Robux through any kind of promo codes, only items and only through their official events. So instead of wasting your time on the clickbaits or the scam sites, here is what really works. So first of all, you need to go to the official promo section in the Roblox events. So here you will find the free skins, hats, emotes, and not the Robux. But these will be safe over here. You can also use the Microsoft rewards or the Legend Store gift cards to buy the Robux at the cheapest price. So it will be like a free method, and there are many players that use it. Now, Roblox sometimes gives rewards items during the partnership and the events, and creators host the giveaways sponsored by the Roblox. You can also follow the official announcements and never third party generator websites. You can create clothing donate buttons in the PLS donate and sell the game passes. So this is the real way players on Roblox inside Roblox. So yeah, there is no secret Robux code exists, but there are some of the official ways to get the items and to earn the Robux safely. And now you know the real methods. So if you want a video on the fastest way of earning Robux without paying, you can just comment Roblox guide below. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.